These are the carnivorous animals in the world. Bear, white shark, Komodo dragon, weasel, bobcat, cheetah, jaguar, wolf, snake, tiger, lion, crocodile, dog, cat, animal preservation involves taking action to protect species and their habitats, maintain genetic diversity, and prevent extinction. This can include implementing sustainable wildlife management practices, reducing human impact on wildlife, and supporting conservation efforts. Effective animal preservation requires cooperation between governments, organizations, and individuals to ensure a brighter future for all species.